Hello everyone, Rahul is with you and today I will show you one of my favorite strategies simple for binary options trading but today I will not be alone but the most beautiful and charming girl.
Hello.
So now let's get started. Oh yes, I almost forget about it. I recently created my own trading bot which personally issues trading signals for the successful trader and these are very different plans and tariffs and everyone will find a suitable one of themselves so you can start making money from the trading right now. So do not miss the opportunity and follow the link in the description. Today's strategy is very simple and you can figure it out. It consists in one indicator stochastic RSI and now I will explain everything to you. Stochastic RSI is an indicator that combines the property of the stochastic oscillator and the RSI. It shows how fast and how strongly the price is moving relatively to overbought and oversold levels. If above 80, the market is overbought and a downside reversible is possible. If below 20, the market is oversold and upward reversible is possible. Stochastic RSI is used to search for short-term reversibles and more accurate entry points into the market. And now let's analyze my strategy using the example of real deals. So, to make it more convenient to use the strategy, you need to set the time settings as mine. First, we put the chart type Falcon set the time frame to 30 minutes, then turn on the indicator Stochastic RSI. I leave the settings of this indicator as standard. Next, I set the Asia Composite Index and set the transactions time is 1 minute. Now let's move on to the transactions. We will start our first deal with the amount of $50. This is an affordable amount and we will make a big profit from it. We look at the chart and the indicator and see the lines is below 20, which means the market is oversold and upward reversible is possible. That's why I am opening a promotion deal.
Well, how long does it take to earn your first money in trading? And will I really succeed if I have no experience?
You can start trading right now with using my strategy and the signals. And experience is not required here, the main is desire. So, great, our first transaction is completed successfully and the balance has grown to $94.
Wow, we already have a profit? So fast and easy?
Yes. So it's time for the second deal. It will be for the entire balance, namely $94. And we look at the chart and start analyzing. The situation remains the same. The market is oversold, the chart is turning up. So I open a deal to increase. Do you understand everything?
Yes, I seem to understand, but how long have you been in trading?
I have been in trading for the several years, but during this time I have completed many thousands of successful transactions and accumulated a lot of capital.
Cool, but if I want to earn money with you, what should I do?
It's very simple. I have a good channel, you can just join it and where I will share the all signals of the profitable, successful trading. So the transaction is completed and the balance has been replenished. I have already made a good profit and the balance is now $178.
Wow.
But I don't know, stop there and so go on. And analyzing the current chart, I notice a slow upward reversible of the chart. There may even be a breakout of the peak. Therefore, this is a sure signal to open a deal for an increase. I am opening a deal for the $150.
By the way, what if I don't make it to the signals in the private group?
This is not a problem. I have a personal mentoring at my convenient time.
Great, but is it possible to trade with a large amount?
If you are unexperienced, then it is not worth it. If under my guidance, then yes, I will take all the risk. So another transaction is in the piggy bank successfully completed. Our balance increased to $312 and this is a good result. Let's move on. The indicators show that the chart is oversold, the upward pullback continues and in this case, I will also open an increased deal but in the amount of the $50.
Well, I'm confident in your strategy and that this deal will also be successful. And by the way, if you have signals even more often, where do you give them?
All the signals in my private Telegram channel. There are more signals and they are more common than the VIP group.
Why make a deposit?
It's simple to start the trading with me and to get like my unique group with the signals. And after that you can start easily trading with me day by day and you will start a lot of profits there. So meanwhile another transaction is completely successfully and our balance grows to a good amount of $534. Let's not hesitate and start the next deal right away. I open a $500 downgrade deal. As I see that the indicator line has started to rise and there is a slight decline in the chart. Is that clear?
Yes, I see. But what is a candlestick chart?
A candlestick chart is a type of the chart using in the trading for making the money to display the price momentum upward and downward to assess over a certain period of the time. And each candle on the chart shows like 4 key prices: opening the price at the beginning of the period, closing at the price in the end, and the maximum is the highest price for the period and the minimum is the lowest period for the price. So there are two types of candlestick: bullish and bearish. Bullish is growth, usually green or white, and bearish falling, black or red, when the closing price is lower than the opening price. So did you got it?
Yeah, I get it.
And here is the deal is over. Time flies fast. I don't even notice how many balance is growing. And I already have $979 and my balance, which is a very good result. And I'm not thinking to stop it. I will continue to make the trades. So the chart is returned to the original position and the upward pullback begins again. As the indicator saw that the market is oversold, candle also saw this trend. So I open a deal for an increase in the amount of the $900.
Wow, but we started with $500 and already have such big bands. I want to learn how to trade like you as soon as possible. Does it take a lot of time to do this?
Each of my students managed to reach a stable income and you will succeed. So you do not need to devote much time. You can just trading and my signals are practically passive earnings. So we went in the repeated signals and then we withdraw money. Everything is very simple and easy.
I'm not in your close group, but I really want to go there.
And here is our last deal for today. The balance is very good, namely $1,816 and $1,816 with an initial amount of just $50. Are you surprised, friends? I am not, because I see such amounts every day and help my subscribers achieve a stable income. So it's time to say goodbye, friends. But before saying goodbye, I want to remind you that I have a close group for the trader where I often publishing working and profitable signals with which we all earn together. So taste the life and become a successful trader. See you soon, guys.
Bye bye.